This is Gaming and welcome back to another video of Minecraft Pocket Edition Redstone tutorial video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to build my own version of Minecart vending machine. So let's go. First things first, all we need is redstone dust, redstone torches, repeater, and lever and normal rail, powered rail, and detector rail. So let's go. First things first, we're gonna place my powered rail over here, and then another rail over here, powered rail over here, detector rail, and then powered rail, detector rail, powered rail, another powered rail, and over here gonna put some powered rail again. I mean normal rail and powered rail. Yes. So by the way, you're gonna need some 6 long and 12 wide place. So you need to build the output first. I already built it just to make sure I'm not doing something wrong. Okay, let's go. And then we're gonna place some redstone facing the block with the lever over here, and then we're gonna put another redstone over here, and then redstone repeater, redstone dust again, all the way through there. It's not yet finished. So over here, once you're done, you're gonna, oh man, just wait a minute, fill my cup, I'm licking it. Okay, and then what we're gonna do now is to place another one, and another one over here. And then once you've done that, we're gonna place the torch over here. So let's check if this thing works or not. Does it work or not? Yes, I can see that already. So I'm just kidding. Once you see that detect that powered rail is off, that means that this rail is on, and vice versa. And this is on, it's the other one is turned off. Next stop is the rails. I mean the vending stuff. For that, we're gonna place some chest over here. So as you can see, it's already, yeah, it's finished. And then we should place the hoppers first. So we're gonna need here some hoppers, dispensers, torch again, redstone torch, and some redstone repeater. So yeah, so we're gonna do now is to place a hopper over here and one. I'm just gonna destroy those things first. That's my guideline. And then let's place those hoppers over here facing to the hopper facing downwards. Yes. And then what we're gonna do now is to place a hopper facing downwards through to the hopper facing here. to the main hopper. There we go. No, I'm not yet done. It's not yet finished. Then let's build the lighting system. This will serve as the sign if the item is already inside the hopper, so we can get the item already or not. Okay, let's go. So first things first, we're gonna need some comparator, redstone repeater, comparator again, redstone dust, and some redstone lamp. I already placed the redstone lamp over here, so let's get started. First things first, you're gonna place the hopper over here and put a repeater in front of the comparator, and then place all of the redstone through the redstone lamp. So let's try this out first. So yeah, I'm too quick. I'm fast. I'm just fast. I'm just quick. Let's just say I'm very fast in talking. So yeah. And then we're gonna put some the minecart just over here right now. Yeah. And then what we're gonna do now is to place the dispensers. So we're gonna need a pillar. So we're gonna place now the dispenser, the dropper, because if you put this, if your vending machine is, if you're gonna sell some arrows or eggs in your vending machine, that will not work AF. So we're gonna place some walls over here to cover the dropper from dropping those items in the wrong side. It's okay if it drop over here, somewhere beside, somewhere over there, or there, or there, except for this place, this part. Yeah, so we're almost done. All we need is some button and some item of your choices. So we're gonna put these between this hopper, this dropper, and voila, you got yourself your own vending machine. So in order to put this thing, all you need to do is to put some dispenser again, and it will and put another wall over here, and it will automatically the item will automatically drop over here. So yeah, it's that simple. And I'm gonna try this out if this is working. So I want a steak, and let's try this out. Oh look, would you look at that, it's already done. And then open it. So oh look, it's the steak over again. I'm gonna put some redstone over here and some things. Just to prove that this thing works. Whoops. Oh my god. Okay. So I want some, and enchanted golden apple. No, I want some enchanted golden apple, and that's it. See that? It's wow. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this AC Gaming. If you like this video, then make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to see some more of my videos, click the subscribe button. And thank you for watching to my tutorial video, and I'm sleep. Goodbye.